Myself, Suresh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering. In today's lecture, volume calculations. These volumes must be calculated, and depending upon the shape of the site, these may be in three ways. That is, by spot height, generally used for small areas such as underground tanks, basements, buildings, building sites, etc. Now, by cross sections, generally used for long, narrow works such as roads, railways, pipelines, etc. By contours, generally used for large areas such as reservoirs, landscapes, redevelopment sites, etc. Okay. By these three methods, we can find the volume of any irregular bodies. See, the combination volume based on area of cross sections. How you calculate based on these area calculations? See, mean area, end area, and trapezoidal formula. See, if you want to find mean area, the volume equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus so on up to an plus 1 plus an by n into L will gives the total area. That will gives you the total area. Okay, by mean area method. End area method, volume equal to d by 2 into a1 plus an plus 2 into remaining areas will gives you the volume of that particular field. By using trapezoidal formula, volume equal to d3 d by 3 a1 plus an plus 4 into even areas plus 2 into odd areas will gives you the volume by using trapezoidal formula. Now I will solve all the three methods in one problem. I will explain you today. See, calculate by using trapezoidal formula the cubic content of an embankment of which the cross-sectional area at 15 meters interval as shown are follows. Distance meters, areas in meter square. Your distance is 0, your area is 11. 15 for 15, 42, 30, 64, 40, 75 and 60, 160, 75, 180 and 90, 220. So we know the distance D. Here your D is 15. How I am calculating your difference? Difference for every distance, that is interval, is given your problem, that is 15 meters. So if you want to find the volume equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus up to AM1 plus 1. So I am taking all the areas 11, 42, 64, 72, 160, 180, 220 by how many there? 7. By n is nothing but number of ordinates or number of distance, that is 7. So into 90. What is this 90? L, length is given, that is length is 90. So I have taken that as length as 90. I have total my area is, total volume is 9630 meter cube. The same area, if you are calculating by using end area method, so we know the distance, that is 15 by 2 plus first ordinate 11 plus last ordinate 220 plus 2 into remaining 42, 64, 72, 160 and 180 will gives to 9502.5. So you are not having much difference. So it is 130 or 130 meter cube difference is there if you are using end area method. Trapezoidal method, d by 3 a1 plus a7 plus 4 summation of A1 plus A4, A2 plus A4 plus A6 even numbers, 2 into summation of odd A3 and A5. So your D value is 15, your A1 is 11 and your A7 is 220. Remaining is even, that is A2, 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 A4 and A6. That is A6, that is your A2 is 42 and your A3, A4 is 72 and A6 is 180 and odd numbers A3 and A5. That is A3 is 64 and A5 is 160. Altogether, that is 15 by 3 is 5. That is adding 111, 220 is 231. Adding 42, 72, 180 into 4 will gives you 1176. 2 into 64 into 160 gives 448. Altogether gives you 9275 meter cube. That is, if you verify all these formulas using this, have some little bit variation. So we can use any one of the method depending upon the priority of the work. Most of the cases we use Simpson rule and trapezoidal rule for calculating the volumes. Okay. By this, I want to end this today's lecture. I will explain about theodolite in my next class. Thank you.